Good day and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to divide a line into ratios using the question displayed above. So in this question, I'll be showing you how to divide a line in a given proportion. So I'll be using the question displayed. So the question says, draw a line AB 165 millimeter long and divide it in the proportion 3:4:2. So we'll start by drawing our line. So we'll draw a vertical line of length 165 millimeter. So the question says the line is line AB. So we'll label the line AB. Next is to draw an inclined line. That is from point A. So I will draw a line inclined at any suitable angle. So the line can be of any suitable length. Next is to mark off points of equal interval on the inclined line. So this point can be of any suitable length. Since we are dividing in a ratio of 3:4:2, so add the total ratio. The total ratio is 9. That is 3 plus 4, we have 7. 7 plus 2, we have 9. So the total ratio is 9. So we are marking points of equal interval. We are marking off 9 points. So for this question, I will just use 2 millimeter. That is for the radius I'm using to mark the point. I will just use 2 centimeter. That is 20 millimeters. So I'll be using 20 millimeter for this question. So I will number the points. That is the 9 points. So after the numbering, I will join point B and point 9. So next is to align your ruler and your set square this way. Ensure that this side of your set square is parallel to the line you draw from point B to point 9. Then slide your set square without moving your ruler to point 7. This is because from the question, starting from the back, the back ratio is 2. So 8, 7. So we are going to point 7. So we have interval of 2 from point 9 to point 7. So then draw another line. Next, the next ratio is 4. That is 6, 5, 4, 3. So we are sliding to point 3 this time. So, but first, I will ensure that my set square is parallel to the line I draw from point 7. So then I'm sliding to point 3. Then I will draw a line. So the next is 3. That is the next ratio. That is the first ratio. So you observe that there's interval of 3 here. That is 1, 2, 3. That is for the first ratio. That is the ratio 3. Then for the ratio 4, there's interval of 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And for the ratio 2, there's interval of 2. 1, 2. So this line has been divided into a ratio of 3 ratio 4 ratio 2. So you can just label the points. So we have point C, point D, and just call the end of this line here. Just call it F. So you can just indicate your ratio this way. So we are done with this question. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Also, if you have any question on engineering and technical drawing in general, you can message me on WhatsApp. The number displayed is my WhatsApp number.